7 beats.
My bike dead. It's the winter time. We're going to be in November. So I'm going to try to get it on the road because I plan on riding this winter. But my bike kind of weird. And I also didn't put it on the tender, so we're going to go charge it up and see if we can get it started today. So I can be out here riding to work out here in this cold.
So I'm lucky to have a place where I can charge my bike. My neighbor has a Harley and he set up the area to be able to work on them. He uses the Black & Decker charger, but I usually use the battery tender off of Amazon for $20. The first thing I do is plug the battery tender into my bike. I charge my bike every night in the winter so the cold doesn't drain my power when I'm not riding. I personally unplug the base of the tender before I attempt to connect it to the bike. And then I just line up the hose on both ends and push them together. I make sure to read the tender to make sure it's charging correctly. If it's flashing, it's charging. And if it's solid, it is fully charged. All tenders are different. Make sure you read your label to see how it works. Now I sit and wait. Alright, let's make these tacos though. Chop up them onions real quick. Get some of that olive oil. I go to Whole Foods, get the Beyond Meat, vegan meat, let's go. Sprinkle some of that Taco Bell sauce. I definitely read the back of the box. I don't know how to cook, but look at that right there. And boom, we got some tacos. Right now we headed to clean the cars off and see if my motorcycle works. Yeah. It's cold. It's freezing out here.